Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new soldering gun. Our packaging includes a soldered gun stand with a sponge, a jar of flux paste, a roll of solder, our instruction manuals, 5 different tips that you can utilize for soldering, and then our solder gun. This solder and iron kit is a perfect soldering kit that will be enough to meet the needs of any electronics hobbyist daily soldering work. This solder gun contains an inner heated ceramic core with 100 watts of power, which can heat up the operating temperature within 20 seconds. It even has a heat-resistant screw head for the solder gun, so it will insulate the temperature effectively to get a long, cool handle. This upgraded soldering kit is designed with an adjustable working temperature and thermostatic LCD digital display, as well as an on-off switch that can accurately adjust the temperature between Celsius 200 to 500 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit 390 degrees to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Compared with a soldering gun station, this pen style will be even easier to carry around everywhere you go. The high-quality heating wires built inside the solder gun will control the temperature and adjust it with PID, proportional integral derivative technology. So the temperature sensor in the solder gun will deliver precise temperature and heat output every single time. It also allows this soldering kit to have a wide range of applications.